Hello and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram story. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap the camera icon or plus next to your profile picture in the top left corner to create a new story. Then, take a photo or video, or swipe up to select one from your gallery. Now, once you've chosen your media, tap the music note icon at the top of the screen. This will open a list of songs you can choose from. You can search for a specific song or browse through genres and moods. Once you find the song you want, tap on it and select the part of the song you want to add to your story. You can adjust the section by dragging the timeline. After selecting the song, you can choose to display the song lyrics or just show the song name and artist, depending on your preference. Finally, once you're happy with your story, tap your story to share it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.